breaking the wall of plastic pollution. Simon Bernard, Falling Walls Lab, Paris.
20 tons. That's the quantity of plastic waste entering our ocean every minute. We are literally plastifying the Earth. From the 50s, we have produced more than 6 billion tons of waste, of which only 20% had been recycled or incinerated so far, which means that the remaining 5 billion tons are still in the natural environment today. These wastes are accumulating in landfills before entering our ocean at this tremendous rate of 20 tons per minute. And the source of this ocean pollution is actually the coastlines. Cities close to the ocean, which don't have access to waste management and can't afford costly infrastructures, like this picture of Lebanon. 90% of plastic pollution actually comes from 20 to 30 low to middle income countries, especially in Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. They suffer from the lack of waste management, but also from the export of plastic from the richest countries like the US or Europe. Well, what if we turn all this pollution into resources for local communities? That's actually the challenge of Plastic Odyssey. We have all the knowledge today to do that. We know how to turn waste into building materials like pipes for sanitations, lumber, shelters, or even fuel. We can turn 1 kilogram of plastic back into 1 liter of fuel to power genset, for example. The problem is all these technologies are not affordable at all. They are costly, they are high-tech, and so they are not accessible where it should be. So our mission is to democratize plastic recycling, to turn off the tap of plastic pollution, turning trash into cash for local communities so that this material won't be left in nature anymore. We have been developing for 5 years a set of semi-industrial technologies that are as low-tech as possible so that it can be built with tools and spare parts you can find everywhere in the world, but also as we want to create a viral movement to have the biggest impact. We are betting on the power of open source to spread those simple solutions worldwide. Our dream is to create a global network of decentralized microfactories and break the wall of plastic pollution.